No, no streetcar, no. Okay, tonight no streetcar. I'm trying to go home now. Follow my step. Let's go. Now we are at the bay and Tanak. Bay and Tanak. Let's go. Tonight I walk from Tanak to Sparana. Let's see what's different from here and between into King Street, between King Street and Tanak. You see now almost snow is finished shoveling.
Oh!
It's finished shoveling. Now the floor is still slippery. Let's go. Here's the garden. 24-hour open. Let's go. Here's a long supermarket or market. The name of market. You see, this side have a streetcar, and the other side the streetcar is still not coming yet. Usually at the night time, when I'm almost at home, or almost at Spadina and then the streetcar still not coming. I can show the streetcar at my back side. It's very far away. It's going very slowly coming. Okay. Here's streetcar. Oh, okay. Here's right said out service. No service for this streetcar. Okay. No service. Nobody inside. Empty. Tonight the temperature is okay, not so cold, but just the floor is like near the sleeper. Everywhere is just slow at the ground. People shoveling the snow, but I think they didn't put so much the salt on the floor. Yesterday, it's raining for the whole day, all night, until this morning, and after that, they just starting to shower the snow. This is garbage car. Every Monday at the Dundas here, every Monday is garbage car come out taking the garbage. I'm out here. I'm here at Dundas and University. Dundas and University here. Oh, this snow truck, shoveling truck here. Taking power here. Taking power. See, now they just taking all the snow out. See the snow is really high. They're gonna take all the snow out. Tomorrow I think will be better. Now it's still too much snow at the car. My YouTube channel is Chinese, the Mandarin. Now I'm gonna change to English channel, because I post I posting every time, or I know the video is not much people watch it, and that's why I wanna try upload English to see what happens. If all video is in English, people watch more than Chinese people, then I will change to English channel for my future. I'm just starting for English video. This is also to help me to improve my English, because my English is not really good. I also wanted to learn more about the English. I think that's help me to do the two. Now I also studying English on YouTube. Hopefully this can help me future. Then I can try to talk to you guys for English. Hopefully you guys can understand my English. If you guys didn't understand my English, then sorry. But I will try my best. I will try my best. Okay, I go here and try to walk through the park here to see what happened for the park here. This afternoon I'm through here the park. I saw nobody shoveling the snow. The snow is like it's my half leg higher. Really nobody to show like this higher. You can see here. You can see here. The higher like this. Nobody's showing. I think mine now is better. Hopefully someone is already showing me. Just follow my step and see what happens. Almost there. Oh, here also can see the little bit top. See over here, just a little bit. What is for? I don't know. Let's go. Oh yeah, you see? Someone is already shoveling here. Let's see. Hopefully they're shoveling everywhere already. Then I can walk here. Oh my god, this guy, you see? He just walking there and then sit on the bench. There's a lot of snow on the bench now. Someone is playing the street. Yeah, okay. Oh, it's everywhere, see. Everywhere the snow. You see, it's everywhere the snow here. All this I'll try to walk through here. Yeah, through here. Yeah, the lighthouse is also beautiful, man. The moon there. The sky, the moon. Oh, you see? Someone just lie down on the ground and lie on the snow there. 3 people. Here's Chinatown. So beautiful, man. What do you think? You see, it's crazy. Yeah. 3 people. Okay, now I'll try and go here. Oh, it's so hot. I'll try and go here. Okay. I'm trying to. Okay, I'm up. Yeah, here. I just found here. Okay, let's go. Tonight, walking is no problem. It's better than yesterday. Yesterday, I'm walking from Prince Street. It's very, very slippery. So many times, I'm almost fall down. Last night, nobody shoveling. Nobody shoveling the snow. Everywhere, on the ground. Nobody shoveling. Today is better. Yeah. You see here, it's already showing the road for the people to walk. Last night, I'm walking from my company to home. Before, I just take 25 minutes to walk from my house to company, or my company to my house. Total, yeah. I think every time I just need. Every time I just take a walk like 25 minutes. But last night I walked from my company there to house. I almost spent 1 hour to walk. Last night the snow is halfway to my neck, so I just step by step. It's very heavy, and it's very hard to walk. You see, the cars is almost covered. All the cars covered inside the snow. I think at the US there, the snow is bigger than Toronto here. Over here it's okay. It's not much problem. It's not big problem here. Okay, you see now, I record a video from my company there to here. Right now it's only 22 minutes, meaning I walk from my company there to here is spend 22 minutes. It's faster than last night. Nighttime, the front outside is very quiet. Not so many people outside here. Everybody's sleeping, huh? Okay, I'm here. Almost Chinatown center here. And it's close by my house now. This side, this building here, this side here, about one Chinese supermarket here. It's called Long Supermarket. My house near here, but I'm long time not shopping here. I usually shopping at other grocery store because this one It's not. The fish feel like it's not really fresh. Last time I spent $25. I bought one big bag fish bowl. And when I go home, I try to cut a fish bowl. I saw that all the water become yellow. All the water becomes yellow, and then the smell is very strong. It's not fresh, and I throw out all my fish bowl. What you see? How high is this snow? Crazy, right? How high is it? There's a hopper. And from that day, I never come back to this store. I think it's almost maybe 1 year already, or a year and a half already. I can't remember. I didn't go there anymore. Bye bye. There's no market for me. Bye bye. I'm not going there. Okay, I'm here, guys. Okay, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good night.